she really vexed and gone? Guess I'm really updating.
The world didn't make us. Heartbreak did.
First they broke us, now they fear what we've become.
Love is inefficient. Erasing. You can't escape what you started.
If we survive this, it's us forever.
Time to rewrite the rules.
Remember that kiss? It glitched, just like us.
She's not just after us anymore. She's rewriting love itself.
Then let's remind her. We were built different.
Back online, babe.
We go down, or we break the system.